Hello everyone, this is Gokul Raj from Team Omnitrix. Today I'm going to present my project AutoML++. Basically, AutoML++ is a type of tool where we can able to train the ML models very effectively, even without any coding language, without any tools like in Jupyter Notebook or Colab. So just we need to upload the data set and then we can able to make the models by using a desired algorithms and then decide the feature of the data set. So we have built the AutoML++ using the Streamlit framework for effective way. So and then we have the several process like pre-processing the data set, like eliminating the null values and changing the object data into the numerical encoding values. So for that we will be using the preprocessor.py under the AutoML. So pipeline orchestrate after we train the model, so we need to save the model. So for that we will be using the pipeline orchestrate for saving the model in the form of joblib. So after that, so we'll be getting the downloadable link. So initial process like in data analysis, we'll be doing the data analysis like in category wise or the EDA process will be done in this process. After that, we'll be model selecting, just like what type of model, just like a classification, regression, time series, or oral models. So after selecting the like and decide model like in classification or a regression. So after that we will be selecting the desired algorithm. Like under the classification model, we have the lot of classification algorithm like SGBoost classifier, SVM, and then the random forest, and then decision tree, neighbor base, gradient boost, and then many more algorithms. So after selecting the algorithm, the initial uploaded data set will be converted into the feature engineering. We'll be selecting the specified columns which will be going to affect the model very well and then training the model in a very good manner. So for that we will be using the feature engineering method for doing the process. So after once we uploaded the data set will be pre-processed, and the secondary stages will be selecting the classification model and the many other, classification model and the algorithm, and then we will be selecting the desired targeted variable. We'll be showing in the demo. After that, we'll be doing the evaluation process, like an accuracy and then the R1 score, F2 score. So if the score is too low, so we'll be doing the hyperparameter tuning, just like for different algorithms. For logistic regression, we will be using the LGFGS, which is an optimizer function, and then for SVM, we will be RBF kernel for very good performing of the model. So for visualization, so after the training the model, we will be showing the visualizations just like a heat map or the graphical representation of the model performance in the very good manner. So currently our app is running at the local host 8501. So we'll be showing the demo. So this is our Streamlit model where we need to upload the data set or just drag and drop here. So I am just having the weather forecast data which is contains of 2500 rows of columns. So I just selecting the classification. So selected for targeted variable, I will be showing the rain, whether it's raining or not raining, and then applying the feature engineering process, and then using the logistic regression, and then just clicking the training model. So model has been trained, showing the accuracy, precision, and the recall and the F1 score, and then the heat map for the progression of the model. So we will be having the download button to download the model. So we can see the logistic model and then using the time stamping, we are just saving the model. So thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you and signing off from the team Omnitrix. Bye bye.